Welcome to our tour of the National Rose Garden, located in the heart of Chanakyapuri, Delhi. If you're a nature lover or simply someone who enjoys the beauty of vibrant flowers, then you're in for a treat. This stunning garden is one of the city's most peaceful and picturesque spots, showcasing over 1,800 varieties of roses from around the world. As we walk through the garden, you'll notice the stunning array of colors that greet you at every turn: lush reds, bright pinks, soft whites, sunny yellows, and even unique shades you may not expect. The sight of these delicate flowers in full bloom is nothing short of mesmerizing. Whether you're visiting for photography, a leisurely stroll, or simply to relax, the garden offers a peaceful escape from the busy city life. The National Rose Garden is not just about the flowers, it's a space to connect with nature. The sweet fragrance of the roses fills the air, making it the perfect environment for those who seek tranquility. The lush greenery surrounding the rose beds adds to the calm atmosphere, and it's easy to lose track of time while you take in the beauty around you. Located in the diplomatic area of Chanakyapuri, this garden is open to the public and is easily accessible, making it a perfect spot to unwind with family, friends, or even on your own. It's especially beautiful during the winter months when the roses are in full bloom, but no matter the season, the garden's charm remains constant. So, I was strolling through the garden, enjoying the lovely flowers, when something unexpected happened that made my day a little brighter. While I was admiring the flowers, a sweet, elderly couple approached me. They were so kind and asked if I could take a few pictures of them in front of the flowers. Of course, I was more than happy to help them out. Their smiles were so genuine, and it was obvious that they were both filled with joy. Surrounded by all the vibrant colors of the flowers, I couldn't help but smile as I snapped a few photos of them in this beautiful setting. There's something so special about witnessing love and happiness, especially in such a peaceful, picturesque place. After I took the pictures, they thanked me with such warmth, and we exchanged a few kind words before parting ways. It was such a simple, yet meaningful moment that reminded me how small acts of kindness can brighten our days and create lasting memories. I feel so lucky to have been part of their little moment in front of those gorgeous flowers. If you've had similar heartwarming experiences, or if you love moments like these, let me know in the comments below. This hidden gem is an ideal place for a peaceful afternoon, so whether you're a Delhi resident or a traveler, make sure to pay a visit to experience its beauty firsthand. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the National Rose Garden. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Oyster808 for more videos exploring amazing destinations and hidden gems around the world. Until next time, keep exploring.